Hello, yeah, once again, welcome back to Saki Tech channel. We are here to continue the 2D AutoCAD 2D drawing. As I promised earlier, I want us to do 500 2D exercises so that you get equipped with AutoCAD 2D. Today, this is what you are going to draw actually. Always, as I've been telling you, when a drawing is given to you, you try to understand and analyze it before you start drawing. So let's check our dimensions. Now, if you look at this, we have 4 circles: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Now we have inner and outer. Now the outer radius is given here 15 times 4, which means all the outer radius 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are having the same radius. Okay. And let's check the inner diameter. That one too is given here 20. So also times 4, so which means all the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, their diameter is 20. And we have an arc here with a radius of 40, so the same thing down here. Here too is 40, here 40. Now this arc is 50, the same thing will be here. The distance from this side to this side is 80, and the distance from here to here is 50. So basically, that's the dimension given to us. So once you understand this way, you know what you are doing. Okay, so let's open AutoCAD and draw a line of 80 height and a line of 50. All right, a vertical line of 80 and then a horizontal line of 50. That will make our work very simple. So let's take line. Start your first point. I'll click here and then I'll enter. The height is 80 mm. Okay. Now first of all let's check our units if we are in millimeters. All right, so we are in millimeters, so we can continue. Now let's zoom out. So this is our vertical line 80. Now let's draw another line, horizontal line from here to this side. Enter 50. All right, so now we have this. Now let's put in our circles. We know the outer radius is 15. Okay, so let's draw the outer radius of 15 and then the inner diameter of 20. So from here, let's draw a circle of diameter. Press D for diameter 20. All right, and then circle again. You can either enter C or can click on the circle. You click here, radius of 15. All right, so enter 15. Okay, so we have our circle. Now we can copy this. Okay, you can actually copy from this side. It's 4 to this side, and or you can even mirror. What you can do is you can copy this one, from here to this side, and then later you select all and then you mirror it. Select mirror, you find the center and then you mirror. Okay, oh sorry, let's select it again and then let's select mirror. You just select no. Okay, so now we have our 4 circles. All right, now let's try and go and draw this arc. We have an arc here, radius of 40. Same thing, inside 1 to 40. It's very simple. So to do that, I've shown you earlier, you go to the circle command. You have tan radius, so you click, and then to ask you from here, specify point on object for first tangent of circle. So we click here, Now let's check our radius. The radius is 40, so we just enter 40. It says specify radius, so we enter 40, enter, it comes. Okay, now we can mirror if you want, but you can also draw if you like. Now let's trim this one. Okay, so that let's try and mirror this one. to the center. Okay, then you press no. All right, so the same thing is down here. Tan radius, select this circle, radius of 40. You press enter. No, sorry. Yes, you press enter. Let's trim this line, and let's delete this one. Okay, so now there's an SS, so let's trim. You can, the shortcut for trim is TR. Okay, I'm entering TR. You can see over here. Instead of, you can also select it from this. All right, click, and then it's gone. Now let's try and mirror this one as well. Click on it, go to mirror. I like using the shortcut more than the so click here, no. So now you can basically see we have this and that. Now let's do this one with radius of 50. So the same thing, tan radius, click here, enter radius of 50. That is it. Trim, select it, is gone. Okay, let's mirror it. Select this one, mirror, select the center plane. Okay, no. Okay, now let's delete this line. We don't need them anymore. Just help us to. Okay, so now you can basically see. Now we have to, what we are left is, let me see. Yeah, I think that's all. Nothing more to do. Yeah, so this is what we are actually looking for. Okay, and we are done. You can increase your line width by clicking on this one, so you get the actual work. All right, so thank you for joining and thank you for watching. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and also hit on the like button. All right, thank you for watching.